All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about XSS protection. I'm going to click on that. As a response header is a feature of Internet Explorer, Chrome, and Safari that stops pages from loading when they detect reflected cross-site scripting. So XSS attacks. Although these protections are largely unnecessary in modern browsers, when sites implement a strong content security policy that disables the use of inline JavaScript unsafe inline, they can still provide protections for users of old web browsers that don't support CSP. So what they're saying is the XSS protection response header is a feature of Internet Explorer, Chrome, and Safari. So again, Mozilla Firefox does not have, Firefox have not and will not implement this protection, okay? So you can see here, Edge has retired their XSS filter and Chrome has removed their XSS auditor. So all of these browsers, Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, are all good browsers to use, okay? And again, this is kind of an old thing, but again, it's part of HTTP. So I wanted to explain it and so you understand what it is. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.